Okay, this is a very interesting. I've replaced the bed and I've replaced the PINDA, and the first time after replacing it I went through and readjusted everything. This side of the bed was way too low, so what I did was I went under here and I raised it up to be equal. And how I did that is I set the Z-axis all the way up, put it all the way back down to where it touched the bed, and I made this side level with this side using the 10mm rods. I adjusted them up and down until it was right. And then it went through the all 4 points check, started to do the 3 points. It went to this point, went to this point, went to this point, and all was good. Went to this point, and then for some reason it did its thing. It went up and then went down into the bed really hard, and you can see where the nozzle went into the bed. The whole time the PINDA was right over the square, but again it did this, it did this, it did this. It went back to this one. It raised up like maybe 10mm and then just went down into the bed and just kept grinding into the bed. But now I have an interesting thing to where what happens is it'll come down, it'll do this one. Looks like it's sitting in the middle of the print area, and I'll show you what it does when it comes over here. Something that I noticed that it's doing. A little bit of a jump there. Goes forward, comes over here. And if you look, it starts right underneath the O by the point where it should be. But when it's done, it'll be too far to the left of the point. So it's like it starts at the point, at the print bed point, and then it just kind of slowly drifts to the left and stays to the left. Right now it's only coming through about halfway. And you can see how it's kind of drifting further left. And drifting left. And it's gonna stop here in a minute. The last time I did this, it was about almost to the other line to the left. There we go. Nope, that one's good. See, it found the point. This time. I didn't do anything since the last time. I'll go find that point. And you can see this is where the point is on the bed. And that PINDA is not even coming close to it. It's almost like the X-axis or maybe the X motor is not working right. Because there's sometimes that this will hesitate and jump, kind of go like jerk back and forth across there too.